The Milky Way, our galaxy, is on a collision course. About 2.5 million light-years away, the Andromeda galaxy is slowly heading towards us. At a speed of around 110 kilometers per second, the collision is inevitable, but don't worry, it will happen in about 4 billion years. Astronomers believe that when it occurs, our galaxies will merge, forming a new one, sometimes called Milkomeda. However, this collision won't be like a car crash. In the vast space between stars, it's unlikely that two stars will collide directly. Instead, stars will rearrange, forming new constellations and creating an incredible celestial display. Our solar system might shift to a different region of the resulting galaxy, but life on Earth likely won't be directly impacted by the crash. What's most fascinating is how this collision will trigger a wave of star formation, creating new stars from the compressed gases between the two galaxies. It will be a moment of intense cosmic activity that will forever change the look of our night sky. By then, will humans still be around to witness this spectacle? The universe has much to reveal about its destiny, and ours.